Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Iman. Today I would like to demonstrate portal culling using Unity platform. So now I will run the normal scene without apply the culling. So this player is in the dungeon. We can see that it's render all the polygon, the triangle in the dungeon. Then I will apply the portal culling. So now we can see that it runs smoother because it render small triangles, small polygons in that particular viewpoint. So portal culling is when this camera point to the small window or door, then it render inside that particular camera viewpoint. We can see that in the scene on the left. Same as this one. Also rendered all behind the door. So when I close to this wall, it's render this wall render polygon only. Alright, thank you.